In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Asana mobile app and manage your work on the go. First, download and open the Asana mobile app. You'll find it in your device's app store. Look for the official Asana app with the recognizable logo, install it, and then tap to open. A stable internet connection helps everything load quickly the first time you sign in. Next, sign in to your Asana account. Use your usual login method and keep your credentials secure. Once you're in, Asana will load your work just like on desktop, but in a layout that's optimized for your phone, so everything feels quick and simple to navigate. Now choose your workspace or team. If you're part of more than one, you'll see them listed. A workspace or organization is the broader container for your company or group, and teams live inside it to organize specific departments or initiatives. Pick the one you plan to work in today. You can switch later from your profile or settings if you need to jump between groups. From here, open My Tasks, Inbox, or Projects to get oriented. My Tasks shows everything assigned to you, making it your personal to-do list. Use it to review what's due today, what's coming up, and what needs attention. Inbox is where updates appear, things like new assignments, comments, and status changes, so you can see what's changed since you last checked in. Projects display the structured lists or boards your team uses to collaborate. Tap into a project to review tasks, priorities, and progress without waiting to get back to your computer. You can create, edit, assign, or complete tasks right from your phone. Tap the Add button to create a new task, give it a clear title, and add details like a due date, assignee, and description. You can include subtasks for multi-step work and attach photos or files directly from your device to keep everything in one place. To edit a task, open it and adjust fields as needed. Update the due date, reassign it, or refine the description. When you finish something, mark it complete so your team sees progress immediately. Finally, turn on notifications so you can receive updates on mobile. Allow notifications when prompted, and if needed, review your device settings to ensure alerts are enabled. Inside Asana's settings, tailor which notifications you receive, like new assignments or mentions, so you get timely updates without noise. That's it. With the Asana mobile app set up, you can stay organized, respond quickly, and move work forward wherever you are.